Good afternoon, sir. Myself Amol Nazar, and today date is 10th August 2021. And today's video topic is what is a constructor. So first of all, what is meant by the constructor? The constructor is defined as to initial what is used of the constructor. The constructor is used to initialize the object. So constructor is a very important method in the very importance in the ops concept. So basically used to the constructor is to initialize the object. So it is the inside of the class. And so what is meant by the constructor? The constructor is a special type of the method to main use to initialize the object. So how identify the constructor? So constructor and class name, the name may be same, and constructor having no return type, and it is used to the initialize the object, and class name and constructor name is having same. So what is the types of the constructor? The constructor having two types. So first one is a default constructor, and second one is the parameterized constructor. So discuss the one by one. So first one is the default constructor. So the constructor having no any parameter passes is called as a default constructor. So default constructor is automatically compiler are generated. So example of default constructor in programmatically example of suppose creating class of vehicle, and it is vehicle and is inside the creating the constructor. So how to find constructor, how to identify the constructor? So name class constructor and class name is always same. So is inside the creating constructor. So vehicle name constructor will be created, and inside the body or print the vehicle is running. So after will be uh, creating method. So void display method. So it is uh, print the vehicle run is the method inside the body. And after we creating the main method, so creating the object. Suppose the first one vehicle v1 is equal to new vehicle, and it is creating the constructor. So after JVM is execution time start, so first upon is called by the constructor. So after we final output will be creating by the vehicle is the running. So compiler is self created by the default constructor. The every Java constructor is a default constructor. Every Java object is a default constructor. So second one type is the parameterized constructor. So what is meant by the parameterized constructor? So parameterized constructor means, so any constructor having passes parameter is called as a parameterized constructor. So it is passes the parameter varies in integer, string, character, float. In this type parameter are passes. So it is the parameter. It is used to the instance variable assigned. So programmatically example of the parameterized constructor. So creating the class, suppose student class, and inside the is inside the instance variable. Suppose string student, integer roll number, integer marks, and string name. We are creating the three parameters. So creating parameter, and after we will be creating the constructor. Suppose this is a parameterized constructor, so it passes the value integer num, integer roll number, and integer string name. It is the passes parameter, so it is the assigned by the this keyword. So constructor having used to the this keyword. What? So to firstly discuss the program. So it assigns the it is a passes the parameter in constructor. So and after we will be creating the this keyword, this dot number equal to number, this dot roll number equal to roll number, this dot string is equal to string, name is equal to name. These are the creating the three instance variable are creating the this object. So after we will be creating the method white display. So output will be the students will be, and after print the student output. So written by the student is writing, so is inside the body of method. So after we'll be creating the main method. So creating the object, so student s1 is equal to new student, and it is a passes parameter to integer number. So number is a 2, and it is a roll number, it is a marks is a 41, and his name is a Kushal, is a passes the 3 parameter. And after JVM started execution, so will be execution first the will be constructor, and it is the passes the parameter. So passes the parameter, and so parameter first, suppose the integer number is equal to 2, and second one marks is 41, and string name is equal to Kushal. So is allocate the instance variable, and after we will be the execution is same, and output is will be the students is writing, I think, and student roll number marks can be printed. So constructor, so all of the discussion. So constructor used to initialize the object. So constructor and difference between constructor and method. So first point of the constructor is used to initialize the object, and method is first point of the, it is the behavior of the object. And second one, constructor having no any return type, and method having a return type, any return type. So constructor so default constructor is compiler automatically created. So method is not created automatically in a method, so compiler. The fourth one type is the every Java constructor is a default constructor. So method is not used to the every method is no method. So method, and the constructor having is a two main used to the initialize the object, and method is used to the behavior of the object. So it is the main difference of the method and constructor. So constructor having a constructor overloading. So yes, constructor having constructor overloading. So what is meant by the constructor overloading? So suppose the two constructor, and it having same name, same name, and it is inside the same class, and but is passes the difference argument is a constructor overloading. So it achieve the constructor, it achieve the Java program. So constructor having a constructor having used to the most to the initialize the object, and it is the very useful. So so constructor is a very important in a, and it is assigned by the new keyword is always. So thank you, sir.